What's up people, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll show you how to generate Elevenlabs API for your projects. So let's get started. Just type Elevenlabs on your search bar in your Google Chrome or any browser and select the first option. So this is elevenlabs.io, and from here you will first need to log in, and once you do that, just go to APIs and click on Quick Start. This will take you to the developers platform, and here you need to click on create an API key in the dashboard here. And if you have already logged in, it will take you directly to the page where you can create a API key. Click on API key and then give it a name. So let's give this a name as testing project, and if you want you can change the credit and all the access, and then click on create. So for now I'll keep this default and click on create. And as you can see, our API key is now generated. You need to copy this and paste it somewhere because you can't copy this once again. So just click on copy to clipboard and have this saved somewhere. And from here you can see you have the API key that you can edit or you can delete, but you can't view it again. It's only one time, and you can also delete. I'll show you how to delete. Just click on this delete button here and your API will be deleted. So to start with, this will give you 10,000 credits for free every month. I think 10,000 a month, and if you want a better plan, then you can click on upgrade and check out their plans. Like you have $1 starter pack and creator pack from $11 a month, and then you have those enterprise level packages for $1,000, and you already do have custom packages. You can contact the sales to get this invoices and get this plans. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.